Welcome to the Hauslane channel. I'm Marco, and today we're going to be talking about our most popular model, the WM-530 wall mount. Next to me is the 30-inch model. Like I said, this is a wall mount range hood with superior performance and easy maintenance. We're going to unbox it, take out all the accessories, and we're going to show you how to put it together. Let's open the box and let's get ready for a brand new cooking experience. So let's take them out of the box. The first thing we're going to take out is the chimney cover. And in it, you will find your accessories and the manual. Now that we've removed all the contents out of the box, let's take a look and see what they are. What we have here is the chimney cover, which is 2 pieces, and it could actually go up 9 feet ceilings. With that, we also have the mounting bracket and the screws for the chimney cover. We also have the user's manual. We have a charcoal filter, which is sold separately. Now let's talk about some of the features in this unit. One, it's full stainless steel, and it's easy to clean, low maintenance. Next, we got the baffle filter, right? Which is dishwasher safe. Remember to take the safety tape off before installing. The other thing that it has a 3-speed fan setting, which is really convenient. It also has bright energy-saving LED lights using GU10 bases. And if you choose to buy a charcoal filter, you can convert your range hood into a ductless system. This model comes pre-installed with the 6-inch round adapter.